what is the advantage of user defined method? So what do you mean by user defined method? So method is basically a function is something which you can reuse again and again in your code. So basically in Java there are two types of method. One is built-in methods and other is user defined. So what are built-in methods? I hope you have used math.square root. Also this println is also like this. Now whenever this parenthesis is there and you use it without knowing that someone who has created Java or the people who are maintaining Java are basically have written the code for it, these are all known as built-in methods. Some are user defined, so based on your need you define them. So let's say for example you want to let's say greet a person, so you will define a method greet. So void greet, and this will basically just print good morning. Okay, so this will print good morning. And let's say you want to greet 100 times, so you will not simply just write as system.out.println good morning 100 times. So you will simply just call a greet method and just run a loop for 100 times. That's it. So what advantage you got when you have defined a greet method? So you got reusability, am I right? So you are able to reuse the implementation again and again because you have only defined it once, am I right? So reusability is one of the advantage of user defined method. And the other thing is modularity. So what do you mean by modularity? You have made your code modular, means let's say if there is a big piece of bread, so you have divided it into multiple chunks. So your entire code, if you would have written it line by line, instead of that you have divided it into various functions. Let's say for example add function, subtract function, division function. So you are calling things by functions, so it makes the code modular, means the modules you have created various methods, various spaces for the definition of these functions, and you have just made your code very neat. Okay, and this is not an advantage. Basically you methods reduce the complexity. So I guess only 1 and 3 is the answer. Thank you.